Welcome to Module 7.9, Threats to Research Integrity. In this session, we'll examine the various ways research integrity can be compromised, from clear cases of research misconduct to more subtle, questionable research practices. Understanding these threats helps researchers recognize and avoid potential pitfalls in their work. We'll also explore the systemic factors that contribute to integrity violations, highlighting how addressing research misconduct requires both individual ethical commitment and broader institutional and cultural changes within the scientific enterprise. Research misconduct has specific definitions in scientific and regulatory contexts. Fabrication involves making up data or results and recording or reporting them as genuine, essentially creating information that doesn't exist. Falsification means manipulating research materials, equipment, or processes, or changing or omitting data such that the research isn't accurately represented, altering genuine information to support desired conclusions. Plagiarism is the appropriation of another's ideas, processes, results, or words without giving appropriate credit, taking credit for work that isn't one's own. These three violations form the core of federal definitions of misconduct used by agencies like the Office of Research Integrity and the National Science Foundation. However, institution-specific policies may include additional categories or more detailed guidance. What unites all definitions is that misconduct represents a fundamental breach of the trust upon which science depends. Beyond clear misconduct lie questionable research practices that threaten integrity while often falling into gray areas. HARKing and data dredging involve analyzing data multiple ways until statistically significant results emerge, creating misleading impressions of discovery. Selective reporting of outcomes means publishing only positive results while concealing negative or inconclusive findings, distorting the research record. HARKing, hypothesizing. After results known, presents post hoc explanations as if they were pre-specified hypotheses, making exploratory findings appear confirmatory. Duplicate publication recycles substantially similar content across multiple publications without transparency, artificially inflating publication counts. Honorary authorship grants authorship to individuals who didn't contribute substantively to the work, undermining accountability and credit. These practices are more common than outright misconduct, and collectively may cause greater harm to scientific reliability by systematically biasing the published literature. Systemic factors contribute to integrity violations. Publication and career pressures create incentives for productivity and positive results over methodological rigor and accuracy. The competitive funding environment requires researchers to demonstrate exceptional productivity and breakthrough potential, sometimes tempting exaggeration or corner cutting. Inadequate mentoring leaves early career researchers without proper guidance on ethical norms and responsible practices. Unclear guidelines about proper conduct in areas like authorship or data management create ambiguity that allows questionable practices to flourish. Finally, detection and enforcement challenges mean many violations go unnoticed or unaddressed, reducing deterrence. These factors highlight that misconduct isn't simply an individual moral failing, but emerges from structural conditions in how research is funded, evaluated, and rewarded. Addressing these systemic issues requires reimagining aspects of scientific culture to align incentives with integrity rather than just punishing violations.